Hello students, hello everyone. This is Senior College Mathematics. Topic of discussion is simultaneous linear equations. If you are in SS1 to SS3 or you're preparing for WAEC, for NECO, for GC, for NAPTEP, JAMB or any other external exams into high school, this lesson is for you. The right place to be is PetakusEduCom community. PetakusEduCom community. Lesson 8, word problems leading to simultaneous equation part 3. Lesson 8 is the continuation of lesson 6 and 7 where the word problems started from. So let's continue. Examples. Before that, for updates, follow Voice of Petakus via YouTube at PetakusEduCom. To do that, subscribe to this channel, like and share this video to your friends, your classmates, your colleagues. Facebook, fb.me/PetakusEduCom, Instagram at PetakusEC, Telegram t.me/PetakusEduCom. In all of these platforms, you get updated from time to time about what is happening at PetakusEduCom community, where you have access to quality, unlimited, and simplified mathematics teachings in series. Okay. Example 15. It has two parts, A and B. So let's start by looking at the first part. The perimeter of the isosceles triangle in the figure below is 28 centimeters. So you can see the triangle ABC. The sides are 4y, 6y minus 2s plus 1s plus 2y. So find s and y and hence state the lengths of the sides. You have to get s and y first. Then B, if angle A is 2 whole number 1 over 4n degrees plus 1 over 2m degrees, angle B 2n degrees minus 2 over 5m degrees, angle C equal to 2m degrees. Find m and n and the sizes of angle A and B. So let's attend to A first. Okay, this triangle is isosceles triangle, and in such triangle two sides are always equal. That is why you have these markings in the triangle. The markings are not for fun. They are there to tell you that side AB is equal to side AC. The meaning is the two sides can be equated, and that will give us one equation. Then the perimeter is 28, and perimeter is addition of all the sides. So if you add all the sides equal to 28, you get the second equation. Then you solve for s and y. Because to solve for s and y, you must have two equations. That is a concept of simultaneous linear equation. Solving two pair of equations with two unknown variables simultaneously. Okay? So you equate the sides that are equal because of the type of triangle you are considering. So you have 4y equal to 6y minus 2s plus 1. So you transfer the unknown variable to the left hand side. If you start by transferring minus 2s, it becomes plus 2s. Plus 4y is already there. If you transfer plus 6y, it becomes minus 6y equal to 1. That is left in the right hand side. So you have 2s. 4y minus 6y is minus 2y. So at the end you have 2s minus 2y equal to 1, equation 1. Like I said earlier, for a triangle, the perimeter of a triangle is equal to sum of the three sides. So you have 28 as the perimeter equal to the sum of the three sides of the triangle. If you add all the letter y together, you have 12y. If you add s, you have minus s plus the constant term. So let's transfer the unknown variable to the left and the constant to the right. So if you transfer minus s, it becomes plus s. Transfer plus 2y plus 12y, it becomes minus 12y. Then you have 1 is left here. If you transfer 28, it becomes minus 28. So at the end, you have s minus 12y equal to minus 27, equation 2. So you solve equation 1 and 2 simultaneously using elimination method or any other method of your choice. So you have equation 1, 2s minus 2y equal to 1. Equation 2, s minus 12y. All right. So equation 2, you have s minus 12y equal to minus 27. The voice of Petakus wants to eliminate variable y. To do that, the coefficient must be the same. Now it is 2 and 12. The LCM is 12. So since 12 is there, you have to turn these 2 to 12. To do that, multiply equation 1 by 6 and equation 2 by 1 for the LCM 12 to remain. Okay, to remain. So you multiply through equation 1 by 6. If you do that, you have 12s minus 12y equal to 6. Then equation 2 remains the same because 1 is multiplying through. So we have achieved the same coefficient of y in both equations. The signs is the same, minus, minus. And you know when the signs are the same, you have to subtract. This minus that is outside will open the bracket. So you have in the bracket will be minus s plus 12y equal to 27. You carry out subtraction. So 12s minus s is 11s minus 12y plus 12y now, because the minus sign has changed the minus between s and y now to positive. So you have minus 12y plus 12y 0, and 6 plus 27 is 33. To get s, divide both sides by 11. So s is equal to 33 divided by 11, and that is 3. Okay, for you to get y, you need to put s equal to 3 in equation 1. Equation 1 is 2s minus 2y equal to 1. So where you see s, you put 3 in this form. Okay, so you have 6 minus 2y equal to 1. 6 minus 2y equal to 1. So let's rearrange. Okay, for y to be negative, let us move out y and move 1 in. So you have 6 minus 1 equal to 2y, and that is 5 equal to 2y. Divide both sides by 2. So y is equal to 5 over 2, or 2 whole number 1 over 2. So you know S, you know Y. The next thing is to find the length of the side. See that? So let's take side 1. Side 1 is 4y, and what? So you have 4 times value of y, 5/2. Divide 4 by 2, you have 2. 2 times 5 is 10 centimeters. Side 2 is 6y minus 2s plus 1. So you have 6 times y value, 5/2. 2 times s value, that is 3 plus 1. So you divide 6 by 2, you have 3. 3 times 5 is 15, minus 2 times 3 is 6, then plus 1. If you subtract, 15 minus 6 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So you see why the two sides are equal, 10, 10. Side 3 is s plus 2y, and that is s is 3 now, plus 2 times 5/2. By the time these two take care of these two, you are left with 3 plus 5 equal to 8. Equal to 8. That is about, so that is the A part now. That is the A part of the problem. Let's go to B part. Okay, we have B part. Okay, we are now in B part, and in that B part, let's go back first and see the requirement. Okay, B, you are asked to find the value of m and n first before the sizes of angle A and B. Okay, so if you look at the diagram, the triangle, as we are told, is isosceles, and in such triangle, the base angle, angle B and C, are always equal. They are equal, so you have B equal to C. Where's the reason? Base angles of isosceles triangle are always equal. So you know angle B to be this from the equation, and angle C is this. So let's transfer the angles to one side. So if you transfer 2m to the left, it becomes minus 2m. We need to clear the fraction. To do that, multiply through by 5 to clear the fraction, and you have 2n minus 2m minus 10m equal to 0. So if you add, you have 10m minus 12m equal to 0. You can divide through by 2. You have 5n minus 6m equal to 0, equation 1. For us to find n and m, we need 2 pairs of equation. So we've obtained 1. To get the other equation, the only way is to note that in a triangle, the sum of all the angles is 180 degrees. That is angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. So angle A, you add all the 3 angles together in this form and equate it to 180. So first, let's convert that mixed fraction to improper fraction. So you have 9/4m plus 1/2m plus 2m minus 2/5m plus 2m equal to 180. Multiply through by 20 to clear fraction. 20 is the LCM of 4, 2, and 5. So if the LCM multiply each term, for instance, 20 times 9/4n becomes 45n. You multiply each term like that, you have this result. So you have to add the like term. And then you add 45n plus 40n, that is 85n. Then you have 10m minus 8m plus 40m, that results to 42m equal to 360. There's no common term that can divide through, so we call 85n plus 42m equal to 3600 equation 2, and we solve both equations simultaneously. Okay, so you have equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, so the voice of Petakus wants to eliminate variable m. To do that, it has to be the same in both equations. Share equation 1 and 2. The coefficients of m are 6 and 42. The LCM of 6 and 42 is 42. That means 42 will remain in equation 2 while you turn 6 to 42. The only way is to multiply equation 1 by 7 and equation 2 by 1 for 42 to remain the same. So equation 1 becomes 5n times 7, 35n, 6m times 7, 42m, 0 times 7, that is 0, and equation 2 remain the same. The signs are opposite in both equations, so you add from the rule stated in lesson 1. So if you add, you have 120n, because this term becomes 0, equal to 3600. Divide both sides by 120, and n is equal to 3600 divided by 120, and that is 30. So to get m, you need to replace n equal to 30 in equation 1. So this is equation 1. Where you are seeing n, you put 30 in this form, and that is 150 minus 6m equal to 0. If you take minus 6m to the right, it becomes plus 6m. So to get m, divide both sides by 6. So m is equal to 150 divided by 6. You have 25. Therefore, m is equal to 25. N is equal to 30. So the values of m and n are known. Then you will ask to find the sizes of angle A and angle B. So you take angle A. Everything about angle A is this. So you have 9/4 times, what is n? N is 30 plus 1/2 times 25. You reduce, you get this. When you multiply, you have this fraction, and when you add, because you have the same denominator, you add the numerator. 135 plus 25 is 160 divided by 2. You have 80 degrees. Then angle B is equal to this. So you have 2 times 30, the value for angle N. Then minus 2/5 times 25, the value for angle N. Divide 25 by 5. Divide 25 by 5. You have 5. Multiply by these 2, that is the 10 you have here. 2 times 30 is 60. By the time you subtract, you have 50 degrees. You see that? So this is how word problems are translated to simultaneous linear equation. Then you solve the equation. All right. End of lesson 8. Thanks for watching and learning with Petakus Education Community. Don't forget, watch out for more from the voice of Petakus. For inquiry, for any question, you can drop your question in the comment section, or you can contact the voice of Petakus through this WhatsApp number or email address. For the complete package of this topic, lesson 1 to 9, You can also contact him at a very little token. You get the complete package delivered to you. Okay. Lastly, you need to be safe. If you are not safe, for your life not to be in crisis, to do that you need to give your life to the Lord Jesus Christ, because he is the only one that has the power to save anyone. If you are saved already, I tell you big congratulations. Live righteously and be prepared. On that day, the last day, some will be taken and some will be left. Take care of yourself, stay well, stay out of trouble, study your books, do the needful, flee every appearance of evil, don't defraud others, and goodbye for now.